In today's video, I'm going to show you how to group blocks in Notion step by step using a simple and practical workflow that anyone can follow. Grouping blocks is incredibly useful when you want to organize related content, manage documents more cleanly, and create structured pages that are easy to navigate. Whether you're using Notion for personal notes, work projects, or team documentation, this method will help you stay organized. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Notion tips and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and start by going to a new page. You can do this from the sidebar by clicking on the New Page option. This gives you a blank canvas where you can start building your layout. A fresh page is important, so you can clearly see how blocks are added and grouped together without distractions from existing content. Once your new page is open, look toward the top area and click on Templates. Templates make it much easier to work faster in Notion because they provide pre-built structures that you can customize. Clicking on Templates will open the template gallery, where you can search for different block layouts and document styles. Next, in the template search area, type in Document Block. This helps you quickly find templates that are designed around document-style layouts. These templates are ideal when you want to group multiple blocks together in a clean and structured way, especially for documentation or reviews. After typing Document Block, go ahead and click on the template that appears in the results. Take a moment to preview it if you want, just to understand how the blocks are arranged. When you're ready, click on Add to add the template directly to your page. This will instantly insert the document structure into your Notion workspace. Now that the template has been added, click into the page and type Document Group Block. This is the key step where you start grouping related blocks together. The Document Group Block allows you to visually and functionally group multiple blocks so they act as a single unit. This is especially useful when you want to move sections around, collapse content, or keep related information together. Once the Document Group Block is added, you'll see that your content is now grouped or blocked together. You can add text, images, checklists, or any other Notion blocks inside this group. Everything inside the group stays organized and can be managed more easily compared to individual scattered blocks. At this point, you've successfully grouped blocks in Notion. You can drag the entire group to a different location on the page, duplicate it, or reorganize your content without breaking the structure. This makes your workflow faster and your pages much cleaner, especially as they grow over time. And that's it. You now know how to group blocks in Notion using templates and document group blocks. This simple technique can make a huge difference in how organized and professional your Notion pages look. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Notion tutorials and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.